What's up, guys? It's Phillyswords RC. Today I got the ARRMA Talion. Just out here bashing this thing today. I got the part to myself. Just wanted to get out here and run this thing. So far I got the loop fix it light kit installed, and that's the only upgrade I got besides those flaps in the back to protect the drive shaft in the rear. Other than that, it's all stock. Now, as y'all can see, this is about my 4th run, and if you can see the tire tread, it don't take much to run these tires down. This tire is not as run down as bad, which I don't understand why, but it's not. But so far the Talion's been the best. Yo, ARRMA battery straps are no joke. They are a pain, but this battery literally is going nowhere. I swear you could take the hardest tumble in the world, and them battery straps gonna hold that battery. You're gonna break the whole car up, but that battery's still gonna be in that tray. I didn't make no modifications to it yet. Don't need too much. Need too much more. Today we gonna run this thing hard, man, because I didn't get to ride in the back there in I rode in the dirt in the previous video. That thing's all over the place. You see that spin around? That thing was on point, man. I think people are tired of seeing the Talion videos. I think they tired of seeing that. Don't blame them, but at the same time, I love the Talion. I mean, this thing is so planted, it's no joke. To find some alternate, but I like the guitars for this. This is really one of the best options besides some sweeps. No more traction on it. Yeah, this thing is nice and dirty now. I had somebody write in and said, this is a jumper. This car is not a jumper. This is not a jumper. This car is not a jumper. It's not made to jump. You see that? They see that. Does that look like it's made to jump? Haha, boo-hoo. Only reason I'm jumping this right now, not because I want to, because I have to. Perfect. Yeah, but this is really not a jumper, especially. But the thing is, if it's your RC car, you can really choose to do what you want with it. If you want to jump it, jump it. If you don't want to jump it, don't jump it. I know people with Crichtons that don't jump their cars. Perfect. Yo, this thing is launching lovely, man. The only problem is this thing bottoms out very fast. Perfect. But really, honestly, I ain't gonna lie to you. It kind of jumps smooth, very smooth, just like smoother than a Crichton. It kind of jumps like a Typhon jumps, except for it can take air a little bit. You can have a little bit of control. Perfect. As long as you launch right, you good. It has a tiny bit of air control. Just a smidge air control, you know what I mean? But not a whole bunch. Not nothing you can write home about, but it does have air control. But people put some people do put the backflips on there. They do put backflips. Perfect. They do put backflips to have way better air control, but I'm not doing all that. Perfect. Yeah, just minor jumps. You don't have to go hard on it, full throttle. That's too much. It's really not. Let's see if that's too much. Only reason I really don't want to do full throttle because yo, I need my headpiece, man, so I can use both hands. It's a little harder to jump right with oh, I hope I'm recording this stuff. I'm doing little baby jumps, taking it easy while I'm so close. But this car will jump out of frame real quick if I gas too hard. Yo, what the? Yo, I need my headpiece. Did you see how high that was? I hope I got that in frame. That was high, man. Whoops. Why you gotta come towards me? I gotta fix that pole. Can't be tearing up the people's stuff here. Let's give her a break for a little while. Let it cool off. I know it gotta be nice and hot. Yo. Perfect. Yo, I had a couple jumps. Is this going, I just was saying, is this going to take the top spot? Boom! Yo, of my all-time favorite. But I don't know the way the route is going. I don't know, man. I don't know. Perfect. Try a backflip. Y'all think I can pull off a backflip? Because I almost know for a fact I can't. Perfect. Yo, she pulled it off. Them tires were struggling though. They were struggling. Oh, that tree, I lost it. Yeah, you see right there, I bent the dog bone. That was a bad smack. Nothing broke, dog bone bent. So I can handle that. I can straighten that back out. I think that's a CVD in the front if I ain't mistaken. Yeah, I bent that. Yeah, I gotta straighten that out.
Game over.
That looked like that broke something. I think I broke a shock. Yeah, I broke the whole shock. I broke it. I broke the shock top. Damn. One mistake. Well, a couple. I made a whole lot of mistakes. That was a major mistake. I broke the shock the shock cap to the shock. But yo, that was fun right there. I'm gonna swing over to the local hobby shop and other damages, no damages, just some tires. I'm gonna swing over to the hobby shop, see if they got some extra ones, or I might use an old shock top, because I got plenty of those. Made me fact, save money, I'll use an old shock top. And as always, hope you enjoyed that video, more coming soon. That was quick, and I'm out. Oh yeah, another thing. This is supposed to be a comparison video, but my machete was a little wonky, but I'm gonna still have another comparison video up. I'm gonna put up my old Talion, and I'm gonna put in the Shogun and the Valkyrie TR. So stay tuned for that. Thanks for watching, and I'm out.
Flawless victory.